Hi, my name's Andre. I'm from Canada. I'm from the French-speaking part of Canada. I'm from Ottawa, Canada, basically Canada's capital. I've decided to pursue my Chinese studies, and I've decided to come especially to Taiwan to further my education. So I've been in Taipei for 4 weeks now. In total, I'll be here 6 weeks. My first impression, basically, at the heart of Taipei is really the MRT subway system. Basically, it connects most of Taipei, so it makes it extremely easy to travel across Taipei to visit a number of interesting sites and places, as well as it's extremely inexpensive. So my first impression was it's very easy to get around. You really can't get lost. And it's a very beautiful city. I'm here at the end of the summer, early fall, so the weather is definitely also getting better than midsummer. So basically I've been studying Chinese for about 4 years. I've been taking the HSK levels. One of the challenges with the HSK levels is there's not a lot of speaking. So basically I was looking for a school or an environment where I can improve my speaking. So I did quite a bit of research, and I really couldn't find anything that met my needs. And my needs were really to have a specialized type of program focused on my speaking. I didn't have any interest in learning a higher level HSK or learning how to read and write. I already had that at the HSK level. So when I started to search around, really LTL always came up as a top school to go to. The reviews were always excellent. So from that, I decided to contact LTL, and the person that they put you in touch with is a student advisor. So that person will really help you along with your journey in terms of customizing a program for you. So there's also a couple of people that do support the student advisor, and you have your cultural specialist, and you may have a director of studies. So there's probably 3 people that you're going to be working with on an ongoing basis in order to customize your program. Like I said, I looked around. I really didn't see a lot of other schools that offer this kind of flexibility. Also, everything is open in terms of the pricing, in terms of what they can do for you. So I felt that that was important. So the next step was really contacting LTL and working with the student advisor to put a program for me. There's a lot of flexibility in LTL in terms of the kind of program that you want. They have a number of resources to support you, as well as the type of lessons you want, whether it's individuals or group, whether you want regular or intensive. So there's quite a bit of options that allow you to select what best suits your needs. Once I decided to go with LTL, then it was really easy with the student advisor and with other people within LTL to establish their program, get the schedule ready, I guess pay for the courses as well, and then I guess coordinate with a homestay family. And then for me, basically to come to Taipei and start my studies. So overall, I would say the whole process, there wasn't any issues, any problems. There was always somebody there to help and support you throughout your journey until you get here. And basically, once you get here, that support still continues on a day-to-day basis. There's some amazing folks at LTL, especially the cultural specialist, Riona. I mean, basically she organizes all the lunches, she organizes events in the evenings, on the weekends, and you basically always have people that are supporting you. So whether you have an issue with anything around or whether you want to customize your program, the support team here is every day they're always here and they're always ready to support you. I guess one of the benefits of going with LTL is the flexibility of the program. But also there is an onus on yourself to really understand why are you coming here. It's really important for you to understand what are your objectives. So the better you know your objective, the better your student advisor can put a program together that meets your needs. So I'll use an example. So if you're looking to learn a specific like HSK level, so then it may make sense for you to go in a group class where there's other students at the same level that are looking to learn HSK. And then you may decide to have an intensive, maybe one-on-one afterwards, to further explore or explain some of the things that you may not have understood. In my case, I was only looking to learn, to explore and improve my speaking, so I wanted a one-on-one intensive. So they put a program together with 2 teachers so that I can focus only on speaking, but also the resources that we're using are meant for someone who only wants to speak. So that's why it's so important for you to really understand what you do want and what you don't want. If you can communicate that to your student advisor, then it's a win-win for everyone, because they'll put the appropriate resources, and also there may be teachers that are more suitable for what you're trying to achieve in terms of your learning objectives. So that's why it's really important for you to understand that there's a number of resources that are available, and they really can customize the program to meet your needs, but you do need to communicate what those needs are and make it very clearly. Now, LTL can adjust once you're here to better match your requirements, but it's always good to have that up front so they can put the right resources and the appropriate teachers that are best suited to meet your needs. So for homestay, I had a decision to make whether I wanted to go into an apartment or the homestay. So I selected the homestay. The main reason was to give me additional opportunities to interact with locals and a local family. So I'm extremely pleased with the homestay family. Well, one thing, it's very close to the school, but the other one is the family's amazing. The environment that we're in is amazing. You do have your own private room. You have your privacy, but then you do interact with them, usually breakfast and then dinner. And dinner, in my particular situation, they have 2 daughters, 9-year-old and 15-year-old. So it's a lot of fun to interact with them as well as with the family. And the meals have been amazing. They're always there to help you out. In my case, they helped me book some tickets to be able to go outside of Taipei to Hualien. So they're there to support you as well. So it's been great. I've learned quite a bit. What I would say to people is definitely LTL is a great choice. The homestay is also a great choice. Taipei for me was an excellent choice. Like I said before, it's easy to travel within Taipei. The MRT system, the support staff at LTL will always be there to support you. So the whole process made it very easy. And also, as somebody who's really not sure sometimes with an organization, you don't know them, but definitely can say the whole LTL experience and at the end, the value for the money is there. That's the most important. As a student, you want to make sure that you spend your dollars well and you're getting a good return. So I would say for students, definitely LTL is an excellent choice. And also, as I said before, you should really understand the purpose why you're coming here. What is your learning objectives? And try to be as specific as you can so that you can communicate to your student advisor so they can put together a program that best meets your learning needs.